In this video, I'll show you how to get Axiom Pro quick trade buttons. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So in order to get quick trade buttons just like this, it's actually quite simple. And to do that, the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. And if you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop my link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And by using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. When you go to that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Go right over here and click on Start Trading. That'll bring up this page where you can sign up using your email, Gmail account, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. Make sure Keys shows up right over here under the invite code section. That'll guarantee you get that discount. Once you've logged into your account, we're going to head over here to the Pulse section. And once you're on this page, we're going to go right over here to where it says Quick Buy, and we're going to enter in an amount that we would like to quick buy into a token with. For an example, let's say we want to buy in with 0.5 SOL. You just put in 0.5 SOL, but as you can see, these buttons are still quite small. We're going to go right over here to display, click on that, and right here it gives you the option to pick the size of your quick buy buttons. So you can have it as small, large, or mega. And if you want to change the color of your buttons, it's pretty simple. You're just going to head over here to the bottom right hand of the screen, click on Customize Theme, and here you can change the color to whatever you would want. Click done, and there you have it. That's how to get your Axiom Pro quick trade buttons. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.